Yeah, good day, everyone. So today we're going to be looking at how we can enroll devices or laptop into our Intune portal. So the first thing that we're supposed to do is we go from our system and we go to settings. So let's type settings in this search space right here. We click on settings. Let it open. So after we open settings, by the left-hand side, we scroll down and we click on accounts. After clicking on accounts, we scroll down again. Go to access work or school right here. You click on it as well. So this is where you're going to add the device to the domain that is joining into the Intune portal and enrolling it as well. So you click on connect. So now you have to type in the email address that is attached to your company's licenses that you are using in your environment. Type in the email address and the password. So you click this option right here, join this device to Microsoft Entra ID. So let me type in the email address right now. Okay, so let me type in my password as well. So I will run authenticator approval to approve this on my mobile phone. So let's just wait. You can see it's telling you that kindly confirm is this the organization before it's going to join this particular device to the organization domain and enroll it into the Intune portal. So we'll click on join. So right now it is done. So this device has been joined into the Enrol Web Services Limited Intune portal. So you just have to give it for like, let's say 30 minutes to an hour. So the device is going to pop up and show on the dashboard in the Intune portal of Enrol Web Services Limited. So this is the end of the training for today. So if you experience any issues, kindly reach out to us at BYOD Nigeria Limited. We're going to put it through. And now you can achieve it. Thank you, everyone.